Hey, Brother Thane. This is mine, Naveen, and Kenneth's final project. I think we're all making individual videos, but just wanted to show you that our project is complete and working according to the requirements for the project. So, without further ado, let me kind of show you it working and running here. So here's our sacrament meeting planner. Um, let's just go into our meeting history here. You'll see in our meeting history that all the meetings are assigned ultimately by the dates. These are all Sundays for the future, 21st, 28th. We can see who's conducting, opening prayer, opening hymn, sacrament hymn, intermediate song, closing hymn, closing prayers, and then of course speakers as they're assigned. And you can have as many as you want or none if you didn't want to. So let me kind of show you how this works now. If I wanted to plan a new meeting, I can pick a date here. And let's go to let's go to next month. Say we're planning for the 5th. And conducting, I can say this is going to be, in my wards, Brother Munson is one of the counselors. Opening prayer, we can have as Stewart, let's say. Now keep in mind, we do have validation on this. And so if you're going to type like numbers, it's not going to let you do that. It actually has to be, it just has to be something that would make sense to help the user out, make sure that's nothing weird or malicious to be put in there. For the opening hymn, they can choose any number they want, but they can't go below 1. So if we try to type in like 0, for instance, it's got to be between 1. Or if I try to do hymn number 342, which doesn't exist, it's got to be only to 341 here. So just to help the user make sure that they get something accurate in there, so we'll just do 25, we'll do 172, 85, and 314. Okay, and then closing prayer, we can do Brother Stewart. So anyway, so I can create a new meeting, and now that meeting is going to be down here. It's May 5th. All that information. Now I want to add speakers to that. So I'm going to go to my speakers table here, and I'm going to go ahead and add a speaker to meeting. And so I'm going to pick which meeting I want to add it to. I want to add it to the 5th. I'm going to do Brother Carson, and I'm going to speak about sacrament. I'm going to go ahead and hit create there. And then also I'm going to add that same one. Let's say Brother Smith. Subject is the atonement. Create. Let's do Brother Jones. Subject is baptism. Create. Long story short, I can add as many speakers as I'd like to. And then when I come back to my meeting history, I can see that. I guess Brother Jones. Oh, I accidentally added Brother Jones to this one. But I can add as many speakers as I want to. And of course, I can edit a plan and edit here and say it's actually Sister Smith that's doing it, or ended up doing it. Hit save on that. I've got Sister Smith down here. If I want to edit the speakers, of course, I can go to my speakers table and I can go to Brother Smith, edit, and I'm like, oh, you know what? So the atonement we're actually going to do faith. Let's save that. And then when I go back to my meetings, I'm now speaking about faith. Then of course I could delete plans, and then that's gone. So that's essentially how this all works. There's validation on all of the inputs to make sure that the user's putting in the correct stuff. That includes for the speakers table to make sure they're not putting anything in that they shouldn't be. And basically just completes all the layouts of the CRUD layout. And let me see if there's anything else on the requirements that I'm missing. No, I think that's it. So yeah, overall, awesome experience. Thanks for a great semester, and I'll talk to you later.